You probably noticed that your videos are being demonetized or flagged as not suitable for all viewers. This is an update by YouTube saying that they will demonetize your video if you say particular things about the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. But here's some of the information that they put on there. Okay, monetization update for the COVID-19 content. You may still see yellow icons on new uploads as our automatic system learn and tune in to allow the broadcasting or monetization of COVID-19 content. So as soon as you put it on, you probably get that yellow symbol right here saying that you cannot monetize it or it's not suitable for most viewers. So it's just giving you stuff that you cannot do. So right here, it says that they're going to limit you if you put people visibly sick in the hospital or medical care facility or people in distress. Okay, there's a note right here. Shots of hospitals of people coughing do not limit monetization. So as long as the fleeting that are provided content to a story. Okay, medical misinformation. So it says that the government created the virus as a bioweapon. You cannot say that. You cannot say corporations created the virus. You cannot say the COVID-19 is spread by the 5G technology or the COVID-19 targets certain ethnic groups. Or you cannot have content that claims that the pandemic is a hoax, covered up, or deliberately attacked. So you cannot say any of this stuff. You cannot do pranks about the COVID-19, like licking the toilets or pretending that you're passed out in public, coughing, sneezing, falsely telling your partner that you have coronavirus, dressing up in a hazmat suit and infecting others, scaring others into thinking that they are infected. So you cannot do any of this stuff. And it is being monitored by computer. So if you do any of this stuff, your video cannot be monetized and it's not suitable for all viewers. So you limit it to what you can say about the COVID-19. And these are saying some practices that you can use to make these videos. But as you can see, you cannot say these certain things or your video will be demonetized. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.